seem like a nice person. Maybe too nice.
Welcome in, hon. What can I get you? Just toss that on my back, and I'll trot it to your door. I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird. Oh, I think you're really gonna enjoy that.
Now that's giving up the business!
The smaller the portions, the finer the meal. You want to buy that? I mean, excellent choice.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? Hmm?
Oh, I'd rather feed you than fight. Balanced flavor, balanced life. Don't get too salty.
Tasty bit of trash! An outrage! Ah!
Now this is help. If you're not growing, you're failing. I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabalians. My dreams are too big for you to steal. No hard feelings, right?
Smart shoppers buy vintage. They don't make these like they used to.
No, I am not a dervish. That's offensive. do not deserve another day.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Our items have lived. They have stories.
Cast aside your deathstruments! I can feel our energies resonating. Use that for the good of all.
My people believe in peace. Boring!
I will leave you alive to learn the lesson. All change begins in the heat of the crucible.
Come with no weapons, leave with big bargains. Your aura guided me to what you needed. I'm so glad we could share this experience today. You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
I can play you the banjo, or I can play you the knife. Your choice. Phew! Gotta hand it to you. That was a mighty fine tussle.
Try not to almost die every day. Feel better. I'm gonna rub this stuff on you. Don't make it weird.
If the Elder could see me now!
Thanks for trusting me. I hope we can do this again.
Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise.
You do see these tusks, right?
You remind me of someone I fought last century. I have no pride for you to wound.
Hi, I'm Quixel, Master Merchant or something. I'll take it, I guess. Not very big though, is it? Buy from Barcoon instead. He actually cares about this.
Mister, I bid you farewell.
Not all Jabalians are pacifists. The joy of more. Bring it in.
People first, profit 10th. Do you have to leave already? I get it. You're busy. Enjoy your purchase.
My dreams are too big for you to steal.
What specs are you running? Oh, good luck. Can't always blame it on the gear.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does. Every item finds its buyer. It's a relation.
Everything I sell, I built right here. See how shiny? I designed that for the for some very powerful ships. Yes, I know you're gonna use that against me. No, I didn't sabotage it.
Do not let it. You will never escape. At last, we are free.
I've come too far to let you stop me. Now that's giving up the business!
You seem lighter. I think you had a breakthrough.
Happy to make a sale. Sad to say goodbye.
My people believe in peace. Boring! I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabalians. I can see you're going places, but I'll be chasing you.
Have you seen Sylvia by any chance? Did she mention me? How do I do it? Just call it movie magic.
Oh, a customer.
You can't. I can't let you. Go.
If you're not growing, you're failing. Nothing beats the look on your enemy's face when they realize they just can't hurt you. Are they hitting you? Or are they hitting themselves with you?
If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
Small things remind me of seeds, acorns, home.
I'm almost sure that was a good trade. Oh, look. It's so tiny. Where's Midsworth? Oh, did he see me close a deal? Well, okay. Here.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge?
Make deals, not war. Your aura guided me to what you needed. I'm so glad we could share this experience today.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for. It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Sylvia and I. Oh, it was a love too big for the silver screen. Confidence goes a long way. Turns silver into...
Sale, no sale. Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabalians.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. I've got another salvo with me.
You're not getting hurt on purpose just to come see me, are you? Just be careful, okay? I kinda like you.
Weapons are friends. Form will upgrade your friends. Weapon has seen much. Be kind to it. Believe you'll win, and you'll win! But not again. If the Elder could see me now!
A friend. I mean, a customer. That's okay. It was nice to see.
Well, howdy, hero. Hat's been sitting there 20 years, waiting for you. You do see these tusks, right?
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. All cannon, no ball.
You see landfill? I see buried treasure. Well, you're doing your part to clean up the bazaar. Hooey! Now that's a bargain.
Bazaar is not kind to the weaponless.
I'm a reasonable man. Make me an offer. Look, I'm a businessman. It wasn't personal.
The joy of more. Bring it in.
I know, you're a busy young man.
code of the sea requires me to trade with you. You really should have bought those weapons.
My people believe in peace. Boring!
Go ahead, underestimate me. It makes this more fun. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
I'm finished with fighting, but I can help you finish a fight.
Now that's giving up the business! Not all Jabalians are pacifists.
Reward the peaceful, punish the war. Use that for the good of all.
Size dilutes the brain. Mine is highly concentrated. If you want cheap junk, go see Curio.
My dreams are too big for you to steal.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. You fall like a boulder. I flow like the waves.
This is not the end for you. I have seen it. Your potential is vast. Let me show you.
This pork roast's almost done.
Few warriors live to retire. By my weapons.
If you're not growing, you're failing.
My work is for the glory of Samaska. So, tell somebody.
I got everything you need. Just a matter of finding it. Warms my rusty circuits to see that find a home. Trash is tragedy. Reuse everything.
Yes, I will dance with you. The Outlander way is truth. Someday you will see.
Hello, landowner. Please, no one can say that wasn't a fair deal.
Master craftsman? Me? Try my best. My people believe in peace. Boring! The elder told me I never listen.